This is for Year 11 Methods. It's Chapter 1 Review, Question 1 and the extended response. Since it is extended response, it's a calculator aloud question, but I'll do a mixture, but I'll show you how we can set things up. It plays around with the formula that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. F stands for the Fahrenheit temperature, C stands for the Celsius temperature. So in part 1, converting 30 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius, then F equals 30. And I'm trying to solve for C. So that's what A is. So 30 equals 9 on 5C plus 32. Move the 32, so negative 2 equals 9 on 5C. Move the 5, so minus 10 equals 9C. C equals minus 10 on 9 degrees Celsius. So negative 10 on 9 degrees Celsius will be the temperature in Celsius if Fahrenheit is 30. Part B, convert 30 Celsius into Fahrenheit. So C equals 30, solve for F. So in the second one, F will equal 9 on 5 times 30 plus 32. 5 cancels with 36 times. 9 sixes are 54 plus 32. It's 88 degrees Fahrenheit is what 30 degrees Celsius is. In part C, X is the Celsius value and X is also the Fahrenheit value. So C equals X and F equals X. What would be that value? So X equals 9 on 5X plus 32. Solve for X. Get all the X's on one side. So I might go X minus 9 on 5X equals 32. And I've got 5x minus 9x on 5 equals 32, minus 4x on 5 equals 32. Move the 5 over a minus, multiply, 5 times 32 is 160. X equals negative 40. So, negative 40 degrees Celsius is the same temperature as negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You sub 40, negative 40 there, C has to equal negative 40, etc. Okay, in part D, the C value, my pen working, in part D, C equals X plus 10, and F equals X. So therefore, my formula becomes X equals 9 on 5, X plus 10 plus 32. And then solve for X. Because I'm saying that the degrees is X plus 10, so I replace C with X plus 10. And I'm saying that the Fahrenheit degree is X. In part E, I'm saying C is 2x and F is x. Therefore, x equals 9 on 5, 2x plus 32. I replace the C with 2x and I replace the F with x. And in part F, I'm saying that C is minus 3k and that F is k. So k equals 9 on 5. Instead of C, I'm saying that C is minus 3k and then plus 32. Now all of these are calculator aloud questions. So what would they look like? For part D, I'm going to have x equals, open up a fraction, 9 on the top, 5 on the bottom, and that's going to be multiplied by, open a bracket, x plus 10, close bracket, plus 32. And I'd like to solve that for x. So I'm going to select it. going to go up to interactive, advanced, solve for x, okay, and that's my value for x, negative 125 on 2. In the second case, I have x equals fraction 9 on 5, open bracket, 2x, close bracket, plus 32. And I select it, interactive, advanced, solve for x, and x equals minus 160 on 13. And the last case, I'm going to again solve, but instead of using k, I'm actually going to use x. X equals fraction 9 on 5, open bracket, minus 3x, close bracket, plus 32, and I'll solve for x. Okay, and x equals 5. However, I would say that k equals 5.